I made a mistake in ending the last video. I said addition method when I actually meant substitution. So, here's our system. 3x minus 2y equals 5, and x plus 3y equals 7. Substitution, the method of substitution really works when any of the variables, x or y, has a leading coefficient on it of 1. In this case, our x has that 1 as a coefficient. So we can solve for x in this equation. So we do that by subtracting 3y from both sides, and we get x equals 7 minus 3y. Now what we do is we take this x and replace it with that x up there. So this first equation would now become 3 times the quantity, 7 minus 3y, and remember this is just x right here, because we solved for x in this equation, and now we substituted. So 3 times the quantity, 7 minus 3y, minus 2y equals 5. Now what we do is this is an equation in one variable, we can solve that. So this becomes 21 minus 9y minus 2y equals 5. 21 minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11 equals 5. I can subtract 21 from both sides. So 5 minus 21 is minus 16. And let me just bring that up here. Minus 11y equals minus 16. And now we can divide through by minus 11. And we get y is equal to 16 over 11. And now, just like last time, we can take this y and bring it into one of the original equations. So I'm going to put this in the second one. So x plus 3 times 16 over 11 is equal to 7. And yes, I'm working with fractions. So this becomes x plus 16 times 3, that's 30 plus 18, or 48, over 11. That's equal to 7, which I'll write as 77 over 11. Now I can subtract 48 over 11 from both sides, so that means x is equal to, so let's see, 77 minus 48, let me do that here, 77 minus 48 becomes, that's a 9, that's a 2, 29 over 11. So our ordered pair for the solution would be 29 over 11, 16 over 11. And that's the basics of the substitution method. Basically, you solve one of the equations for another variable, put that variable back into the other equation, solve, and substitute, and write your answer as an ordered pair. In the next video, I'm going to discuss the nature of solutions.